welcome back to another video. Today guys, I am going to be making some green juice with some green apple, ginger and some kale. So guys, I'm going to wash these off camera. I'm gonna go outside for another ingredients, which is my parsley. So I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna cut some off and then come back and wash everything. So guys, this is where I'm going to be cutting my parsley from. Do some over the back part. So guys, this is what I got. So I'm gonna go inside and wash them. So guys, I've washed my apples, my kale, my parsley and my ginger. So now I am going to get into my juicing. So guys, I'm just going to slightly cut the kales up into some small pieces. So guys, I am going to just cut my kale into some smaller pieces. So they can go through the chute. So guys, thank you all for watching my videos, and for the new subscribers, my name is Michelle alias Michibu. I'm based in Australia. I'm a Jamaican. So guys, don't forget to always leave a comment. I check my comments all the time. So guys, all these ingredients that I'm using today is good for us. You can steam your kale. However, when I'm going to work and I want to take a drink with me, I make juice. So it's not like you're gonna have just juice. I make my juice. When I'm ready, I make my smoothie also. But for right now, I am doing some juice on the channel. So stay tuned everyone for more healthy juice. So guys, as you know, the parsley, it has vitamin A, B, C and K, and it is great for our skin, and it helps with preventing cancer. So as we age, and also young people, they can get into it from now. I am going to be using a lemon also. And you know, lemon alkalizes the body. And 4 green apples. That's to give you, just to sweeten it, because my drink that I make on this channel, I don't add sugar to it. You can use whatever you have to make the juice, whether you want to use your NutriBullet or you want to invest in a juicer. It's up to you. Do what's best for you. So the kale, guys, that help to improve your heart health and fight with inflammation in the body. So let's get into the juicing, guys. So guys, I'm going to turn on my juicer and I'm going to start putting my apples in. So guys, it has a switch at the side. So you switch it up and it's on. I'm going to pop my apples in. And then I'm going to put some, maybe the kale after, or the lemon. I'll pop lemon in with some apples. So let's start putting the kale in. And this juice is full of benefits, guys. Loaded with benefits for the body. So guys, the kale supports bone health and it may protect against heart disease and support your eyes. So guys, don't wait until you run down to start having these kind of drink. It is very healthy. You know, who don't like that you can get up in the morning and see the sunshine? You know, so here I am using my Cuvin Revo 380. It is very good and I love it. The kale that I use today, it's the curly kale, because you have many different types of kale. So I am using the curly one today. And the kale also low cholesterol. So guys, I'm gonna turn my juicer off and I'm gonna let out my first batch of juice. Look at that, guys. Wow. How could you not want to try a drink like this? And guys, as we get older, our eyes get worse. There is a certain nutrient in kale that can help support healthy vision over time. So guys, I think everybody should try this. So guys, I'm doing my second batch of juice. I've added some parsley, and there you have my apple. It's just spinning around, getting ready to be crushed. Look at that. So guys, as you can all see, I am doing my second batch of juice. So guys, looking at the new commercial grade screw, that's the thing that is spinning around to cut. You like it cuts your carrots and all of that. When you drop a carrot or a celery or a cucumber into the feeding chute, the screw chop the ingredients before pressing it. So guys, I am now adding 1 pear just to top it off and just to fill up my bottle. And guys, I'm letting out my second batch. Look how refreshing this looks. So I urge everybody to try it and let me know in the comment section. So guys, I'm gonna add a cucumber just to stretch my juice a little bit more. So guys, I am going to put my juice in my bottle. In my cooling bottle. So guys, this is the end of the video. I've used up all my green apples, so I added a pear to the decoration, which I had one pear in there at the last part, and cucumber, ginger, parsley, and kale. So this is the drink, guys. Subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend, guys. Bye for now.